The UK is bracing for widespread disruption as Storm Amy batters large parts of the country, bringing with it dangerous winds, heavy rain, and travel chaos. On Saturday's edition of BBC Breakfast, weather forecaster Simon King issued a series of urgent warnings, telling viewers that conditions were set to deteriorate further as the storm moved northeast across Britain. Presenters Charlie Stayt and Naga Munchetty handed over to King, who warned that an amber weather alert remained in force for much of northern and western Scotland until Saturday evening. Such alerts indicate a high risk of disruption to travel, damage to infrastructure, and potential power cuts, with the public urged to remain cautious and avoid unnecessary journeys. King explained, "This is Storm Amy. It's tracking northeast towards Scandinavia, but its low-pressure system is bringing strong winds to northern Scotland. Across the entire UK, we're looking at gusts reaching up to 65 miles per hour today. For many areas, that means dangerous conditions with the risk of flying debris, falling branches, and localized flooding." The BBC meteorologist went on to say that showers would sweep across Northern Ireland and Scotland before drifting into northern England later in the day. He also noted that heavy downpours were expected in some southern regions, compounding the risk of flash flooding and difficult driving conditions. Temperatures were forecast at 13 to 15 degrees Celsius, cooler than earlier in the week, with overnight lows dropping to around 8 degrees. King added that more unsettled weather was likely on Sunday, with strong winds persisting and further bands of rain moving across the country. He stressed that communities should prepare for ongoing disruption, particularly in coastal and rural areas. The Met Office confirmed that a series of yellow and amber warnings were in place, covering large swathes of England, Scotland, and Wales. These warnings highlight the likelihood of transport delays, road closures, interruptions to rail services, and potential loss of electricity in exposed regions. Already, Storm Amy has forced the cancellation of outdoor events and led to ferry and flight delays in several parts of the country. Households have been advised to stock up on essentials such as batteries, mobile power banks, and torches in case of blackouts. Residents in vulnerable areas have also been urged to secure doors, windows, and garden furniture ahead of the strongest winds. Weather maps from the Met Office show Storm Amy stretching more than 600 miles across the Atlantic, bringing with it volatile pressure systems that could fuel further chaos over the weekend. Gusts of up to 100 miles per hour have been recorded in some coastal regions, with forecasters warning that conditions could worsen before improving early next week. For now, the advice remains clear. Stay indoors where possible, follow updates from the Met Office, and prepare for challenging weather as Storm Amy continues to sweep across the UK.